channel. My name's Mercedes, and if you don't know me, girl, I'm bad plushy. But anyways, we're gonna get straight into it. If you peep my shirt right here, this is one of my upcycles. If you didn't read the title, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my upcycles today. Now, these are not all of my upcycles that I have, but these are some that I'm just going to show you for right now. This one that I have on is one of my recent ones and one of my faves, actually. I've been seeing a lot of people doing a lot of Nike upcycles and stuff like that, and I actually held on to the shirt for a while before I did this, and I seen some inspiration on Instagram. I be searching Instagram all the time. I love Instagram. I love the inspiration you can find on there. I love looking at people's outfits that look so fresh, so bomb. I share them all the time, girl. So follow me on Instagram. Anyway, this is one of my faves. This is a Nike shirt that I upcycled. It's a men's maybe men's medium. You know, I did some embroidery on there. Did a little tie down here because I didn't want to do the scrunchy waistband thing, and I really wanted to use all the fabric that was on this shirt. So this piece right here is actually a side piece from the side of the shirt, and I added on here for some structure, and it makes my boobs look really nice. And I got a little tie piece right here, so you could tie it so it could be like this, or you can tuck it in so it just looks like, you know, one of the little knots that you have right here, and then at the bottom, you know, it's open. Let me show you. See, this is completely open, y'all. You don't even believe it. It'd be like, bam, it's a whole new shirt. But yeah, right, so it can stay. Tie it twice, you know, and tuck it in. But yeah, let me know how you guys like this one. Okay, so this one is definitely a toned down type of one. It's not as bright. I do have some really bright upcycles, but I love color and brightness. But let's get into this one. Girl, just look at it. Okay, this is a Timberland shirt, men's, of course. I cropped it, add some jeans. So I just love this. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, so this is the next shirt. Ooh. Wait, this one's a tad small. I think this might be a medium or small in men's, or as it fit me. It might be a woman, but it is a little smaller size than what I would actually like. But since, you know, you gotta work with what you got. But I just painted. This is painted, everyone. Let me know how you like. Ooh. Yes. And this actually was inspired by, I think I seen a shirt. I think it was on DEPPOP that got sold, and it was like an all white, no, all yellow, like long tee, and it had like green paint. They painted like a bunch of green like designs on it, and I'm like, oh, that looks really cute. I love how it looked on the yellow. So I found my yellow shirt and started painting on it. So let me know how you guys like. I just tied it up right there. I love crop tops, if you didn't know that. A lot of my shit is cropped. If it's not, it's big baggy shirts. I love big baggy shirts. Comfortable sportswear. Yes. Show you guys the color real fast because it's gonna wash me out when I walk back. All right. Oh Jesus. Okay. All right, maybe alright. But okay, so y'all, how do you like this one? This is my sleeve. This one actually has some of the back. It's a neon orange zip up like men's shirt, and added some, you know, details to it. This inspiration came from, ooh, fans on, sorry. This inspiration came from Official Heaven. That's her name on Instagram. She had, I think it's orange or orangish color shirt with some, you know, gray type of utility belt on hers, and I just thought it was just the most cutest shirt I have seen in so long. So I already had the materials, girl. I was like, let me go ahead and go and do this. All right. So thank you for posting that picture, girl, because I love like sportswear and 90s wear. It's like where I'm kind of in. And I have a lot of 90s clothes. I have a lot of upcycle clothes now that I upcycle, and a lot of it is pushed toward like the 90s. So thank you. But how y'all like this? Is super cute, and it's actually pretty warm. I wore it on a warm day. I was okay until I came back. I was shopping. I was sweating. I'm like, let me hurry up and take this off. Okay, I'm crazy, but I just want to wear it because, you know, when you make something, you want to wear it right away. Okay, let's get on to the next one. Another one. I'm gonna be up close so I can show you the detail. This came from a skirt I recycled. It's a smaller sequin shirt. Wasn't gonna wear it or anything, so let me you know, upcycle this dress real quick. And this top is from a old Scrubs that place I used to work at. Sleeves are from old Upcycle, and I didn't like it. Ended up cutting the sleeves off to reuse them. So we'll bam. And yep, got the sparklies here. And then last thing but least, it took me a while to finish this shirt because I didn't really like it. The last thing I added was this thing with us the other day, and I kind of like it. I don't know. I'm not too wild about this one. I like it, but I don't like it as much as my Nike one. There you go. But I added some detail, some silvers on there to kind of keep these strings intact, and you know, you can untie it and, you know, do what you gotta do. And this is a little ruffle right here, and it makes it look more, you know, girly. Otherwise it was like super boxy. But let me know how you like this one. Oh, I just had some sunglasses that matched. Oh, look how much they match. And I actually upcycled these too a while back, and I put these little sparklies on there. So let me show you. Girl, who that? Who is that? Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys one more. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. Here I come. Okay, so this is my last baby right here. It was a long green skirt. Now, I love Christmas, but I don't like wearing Christmas colors all the time. That's what it kind of reminded me of. But I'd rather it be Christmassy than Gucci, if you know what I mean. Because I heard, you know, Gucci cancel, baby, but you see, I added this little ruffle on the top to look at real, you know, girly. Add some lines right here to help, you know, structure this shirt out to flattering lines here. And then add some buttons right here. So I really love Chanel, and I love their style skirts, and this one reminds me of Chanel a lot for some reason. And it's like a suede material, so it's even better. I love it because it's going to last a long time for me, and I love the outcome. Oh, and then I have this headband. Hi. I have this headband that I made a while back, and I actually have a YouTube video on it. It is supposed to be, y'all know that the Gucci headband came out and everybody was on it. I was on it. Here it go. So, but yeah. Here is the headband. I think it's really cute, y'all. Ooh, okay, now back here you can see the sparkle. I was just too close. If you guys really like these type of videos, make sure you guys subscribe down below And check out my Instagram. You know, I don't post on YouTube every day, but I do post on Instagram pretty frequently, and you can see all my upcycles and my fashion and stuff. So if you do like my fashion, make sure you go ahead and go follow over there. I'll try to put, you know, all the information down below or on the screen if I can. But fuck with your girl. That's what everybody be saying. Fuck with your girl. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. And let me know which one is you guys' favorite upcycle down below. And girl, peace. I will see you later. Make sure you guys check out my other videos so you guys can catch the giveaway that is going to happen whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I can't wait. You guys need to hurry up because I be seeing so much stuff I want to give away. Because, you know, I can't wear everything. And I definitely can't fit everything. So, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And follow me on Instagram. Alright. Peace, y'all. Peace, love. Black Lives Matter.